Hello and welcome to my MailConversio AI review. My name is Juliana and today we will go through MailConversio AI review. Boost your profits with cutting-edge technology. Unlock the power of Netflix-style emails to captivate your audience, skyrocket your conversions and generate massive profits.
With expensive email
With built-in AI-powered spam detection
marketing campaigns that fail to engage your audience and
keep your emails out of the spam folder and maximize their reach and make $14,882.83 daily. Is it true? I said yes. With the help of MailConversio AI Netflix-style emails to captivate your audience, skyrocket your conversions and generate massive profits like thousands of dollars daily. And also get $20,000 plus bonus, which link in description. In the bonus you get more than $20,000 free bonuses like first email list secrets video tutorial which worth is $1,756. Second turbo dynamic which value is $1,953 and 8 more difference bonus which are helping to make more than thousands of dollars daily. In the description link is available, click there and submit your email and I will send those bonuses. With the help of MailConversio AI create innovative Netflix-style email booster solution to transform emails into profit-generating machines, personalized elements to interact, engage, and convert your email audience, and many more. Free commercial license included. Create and sell Netflix-style interactive email campaigns to clients for a monthly fee. Get instant access to MailConversio AI. Link in description. Buy from there and get $20,000 plus bonuses. This MailConversio AI convert your email with those format which is more likely to open and read. Interactive elements in your email. In 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose interactive elements. Select interactive elements from MailConversio AI's wide range. Step number 2. Personalize and embed. Customize the elements with ease, tailoring them to your campaign goals. Step number 3. Boost engagement and avoid spam filters. Send out your engaging emails confidently, knowing that MailConversio AI's built-in spam detection technology keeps your messages out of spam folders. Listen, our early users are super excited about the powers of MailConversio AI.
MailConversio AI. My name is Jason
I'm the lucky
and I live in
tester
Melbourne,
of...
Australia. I've been in the IT industry
Hi, my name is Jay. I'm from Germany and I'm the owner of a web design and marketing agency. I'm the lucky tester of...
Hi, Rafiq here from New York. My experience with
or email Conversio.
And lifestyle is important to me. Shooting this video at the top of the mountains in
I was lucky enough to beta test the
And
Content
many more.
Genie.
Marketers, agencies, freelancers, social media marketers and startups. Love MailConversio AI. MailConversio AI has completely transformed the way I engage with my email audience. With its cutting-edge features, I can create interactive elements in minutes, making my emails more engaging and persuasive. This has resulted in a significant increase in conversions and overall effectiveness of my email marketing campaigns. Said by Steve G. Tesh. I'm thrilled with the results I've achieved since implementing MailConversio AI into my email marketing strategy. It's astonishing how much more responsive my subscribers have become, leading to a significant boost in conversions. Said by James Cannon. The interactive elements provided by MailConversio have made my emails more captivating, resulting in higher click-through rates and conversions. By streamlining my email marketing process, I've been able to focus on other aspects of my business while still achieving excellent results. Said by Diane Peterson. Break through the inbox noise. Remove the struggles of email marketing campaigns that fail to engage your audience. Remove the need for spending endless hours crafting emails that go unnoticed in crowded inboxes. Remove the worry of your emails ending up in the spam folder, missing out on valuable opportunities. Make your emails stand out, engage, convert, engage and captivate your audience. Quickly and easily create engaging email campaigns, transform your emails, start a side hustle selling email marketing services. It's 2023. Boring emails are out. Captivating emails are in. Emails are still alive and kicking. But let's face it, boring emails are just snooze fests. You need the power of interactive elements to transform your emails into captivating experiences that leave a lasting impression. Emails are still the ROI powerhouse, make no mistake, emails still bring in the big bucks. They've got the highest return on investment in the digital world. You need to supercharge your email campaigns with interactive elements. But you need emails that stand out. Your audience needs something interactive, something that makes them go, "Hey, this is cool." You need to send emails that will make your subscribers sit up, take notice, and eagerly await your next email. Transform your messages into experiences for your audience. And you need lots of such emails. Hire email marketing experts. Or buy complicated email marketing tools. What's the right way to do it? Neither. It's true. Creating interactive emails can be a pain. Presenting MailConversio AI, the #1 Netflix-style email marketing app. And also get $20,000 plus bonus, which link in description. In the bonus you get more than $20,000 free bonuses like first email list secrets video tutorial, which worth is $1,756. Second Turbo Dynamic, which value is $1,953, and 8 more difference bonus, which are helping to make more than thousands $OD daily. In the description link is available. Click there and submit your email and I will send those bonuses. Get instant access to MailConversio AI. Link in description. Buy from there and get $20,000 plus bonuses. The ultimate AI-powered email engagement solution. Transform your email marketing campaigns with MailConversio AI, the cutting-edge solution designed to engage, persuade, and convert your email audience. With over 20+ interactive elements at your disposal, such as forms, questionnaires, polls, social badges, countdown timers, and call-to-action buttons, you can captivate your recipients and drive immediate action. Get the interactive edge like artificially intelligent, automated engagement, maximize reach. Innovative Netflix-style email booster solution to transform emails into built-in AI-powered spam detection technology to keep your emails out of the spam folder and maximize their reach. Profit-generating machines. Personalized elements to interact, engage, and convert your email audience. Forms, questionnaires, polls, votes, surveys, QR codes, social badges, Google Map. Showcase a preview of these posts right inside your email. Facebook posts, Twitter posts, Instagram posts, TikTok posts, LinkedIn posts, and many more. Add conversion elements like countdown timers, call-to-action buttons, image placeholder, YouTube videos, and many more. Compatible with all major autoresponders and email service providers. The future of email marketing is available to you right now. Life without MailConversio AI is struggle with expensive email marketing campaigns that fail to engage your audience. Spend endless hours crafting emails that go unnoticed in crowded inboxes, and life with MailConversio AI is unlock the power of interactive emails that captivate and engage your audience. Create stunning and attention-grabbing emails in minutes, without design or technical skills. Experience higher email conversions and sales. Utilize interactive elements like forms, polls, QR codes, personalized GIFs, countdown timers, and CTA buttons. Say goodbye to expensive software and recurring fees. Start profiting 100% without any additional expenses or fees. Free commercial license included. Create and sell Netflix-style interactive email campaigns to clients for a monthly fee. Get instant access to MailConversio AI. Link in description. Buy from there and get $20,000 plus bonuses. Thank you.